How to make use of teleprompter feature on CapCut. Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make use of the teleprompter feature on CapCut. Teleprompter helps make your video recording easy. What is CapCut Teleprompter? CapCut Teleprompter helps you type in the text or the script you want to narrate and read it out while recording. Here is how to use it. The first step in using CapCut Teleprompter is to plan your script. You need to plan your script. Think about what you want to say or write and write it down somewhere or type it on your mobile device where you can easily copy and paste it on teleprompter. The second step is to activate your video prompter on CapCut. To do this, open your CapCut app on your mobile device. Click on Expand button on the right hand side of your phone. Now, before we continue, please support me by liking this video, subscribe, share, and turn on your notification button. I appreciate you for supporting me. Thank you. Let's continue from the second step and let me show you how to activate your teleprompter on CapCut and do your video recording. When you open your CapCut app, you click on the Expand button on the right hand side of your mobile device. After clicking on the Expand button, you click on Teleprompter. After clicking on Teleprompter, it will bring you here. When it brings you here, you click on the pen button on the screen. After clicking on the pen button, here you can easily copy your text to this page, or you can easily type your text or whatever you want to say. You can type up to 5,000 words. As you can see from my write-up or from whatever I've typed in, I typed just 889 words. When you finish typing or pasting your script, you click on Done. After clicking on Done, you click on Setting. Setting, here you see speed, font size, and color. The speed helps you to increase the speed of your text or to decrease the speed of the text. While the settings, the font setting helps you to increase the size of your font or to decrease the size of your font. And the color, as you can see from the screen, I'm using blue color. Instead of blue, you might want to change it to yellow or pink or orange, whatever color you prefer. After doing that, you go back to your teleprompter. The next step is to click on timing. We have option of 15 seconds, 60 seconds, and 3 minutes. For this video, I'll be clicking on 3 minutes because it gives room for alteration, it gives room for mistake. You can easily edit it or you can easily start all over. So I click on 3 minutes. After setting your timing, you now click on record. Stop, and you click on this. As you can see, how to use teleprompter feature on CapCut. Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make use of the teleprompter feature on CapCut. So you read down your script from the beginning to the end. When you finish recording, you click. When you finish recording, you can either export your video or you edit your video there on CapCut. After recording your video with the help of teleprompter, the text you see displayed on your screen while recording it with teleprompter will not appear on your video recording. It's just you and what you are saying. So as you can see, teleprompter is helpful for content creators, especially when you know you easily forget your script, you easily forget what you intend saying while recording your video. I will advise you make use of teleprompter because it makes video recording easy. And it makes it very helpful. You don't have to be distracted. You don't have to be looking for where you wrote something down so you can remember or pause your video to read out your scripts before you continue recording. So click on teleprompter today and make use of it. CapCut is a very good video editing app and it comes with so many features that we are yet to explore. So please, if you know you really enjoyed and learned something from this video, please do me the favor by liking this video, support me by subscribing to my channel, turn on your notification, share, and please leave a comment. Thank you so much for supporting me. I hope to see you next time in my next video. Bye.